Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to resolve or how to solve interrupted error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. The first step is restart your PC. Go to the start menu, select power off button and click on restart. And wait a moment. This step is for ending all process in the computer, all possible programs because conflicts in your system, turn off all service as possible, login in your Windows, and go to the start menu and type cmd. Wait a moment. Right click in the command prompt and select run as administrator. If you receive an user account control, click on yes. In this window, type sefc space / scannow and hit enter. And can't be patient and wait a moment. When your process finish, restart your PC, close and restart your Windows. Go to the start menu, select power off button and click on restart. And thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.